Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a personalized email here in Constant Contact. All right, so first up, open up the email, and then you're going to want to add a text block right here. Drag and drop it, maybe at the top. Okay, so I'm just going to delete or maybe add like hi, comma, and then go ahead and click on insert. Okay, contact details, you could be account details. So let's just go ahead and add in maybe a first name. Okay. And a fallback right here, whenever a first name isn't available on your contact list, all right, it will just add in here instead of hi, the name, it will just add maybe hi friend. Okay. Hi friend. Like so. Hit on insert. When you go ahead and click on preview right here, we'll just send you hi friend. Okay. As it doesn't have the email yet. Like so, as you can see, hi friend. So let's just go ahead and add in maybe an exclamation point in a space. Now let's hit on preview. As you can see, hi friend. So when we test it out, I'm going to send it to my own email. As you can see, it now says, hi Ryan Christian, which is me. That's basically how you do it. All right. There's one trick here as well that you go ahead and try. Onto email settings. Okay, in here you have personalized, and this is how it's going to look like in their emailing service. All right, so you can see here it looks like Google right here or Gmail. As you can see, I've added the first name or the fallback. Now, how do we do that? So you go ahead and click on personalize here, maybe add a last name. Okay, add a fallback, maybe dear customer. Like so. You can change this one as well. Okay. Check this out. And your first name right here. Company name. That's it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.